Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Suzuki S40 Boulevard. 40 cubic inches, 650 cc's, a lightweight cruiser power, beautiful condition, metallic gray in appearance, belt drive, no chain to mess with. This is a fantastic condition, lightweight scooter for only $34.99. It's got the repositioned rear light and license plate. Come by, make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true for just $34.99. This bike will not be here long. It's in great shape, only 12,000 miles. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. For any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.